In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily send voice recording or audio message on Facebook Messenger application. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, we need to open up Messenger app. After that, open up a conversation, and that's where at this toolbar we can easily find this microphone icon to start recording our audio message. We just need to tap at that icon once and it will immediately start recording our voice. Here, as you can see, my voice now is being recorded. Here also we have this pause button, so we can pause our recording, and then on that step we can hit add play to listen to it. From here we can delete the voice that has been already recorded. Also we can hit right here at that button to start recording from the beginning. We can hit right here at microphone icon and it will continue recording our voice. So in this way we can take a break and then continue recording our voice message. To send it, just hit right here at this send button, and in the same way from here we can just record our message, and without tapping right here at pause we can send it by tapping right here. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.